After over 4 years of cleaning up spills, wiping counters, dusting furniture, and replacing countless paper towels and tissues, these rags have become stained, dingy, and a little less fresh than I'd like. Believe it or not, they've actually been through the wash and dryer already. So why did they turn my water this brown? Well, today I'm trying an old-fashioned cleaning method that my grandmother's generation used to deep clean dish rags and remove stubborn odors using nothing more than water and baking soda. Let's see if it still works. We're going to start with a really large pot and fill it up about halfway with water. Place it on your stove and start to bring that to a boil. I have about a gallon of water in here, so I'm using a half a cup of baking soda. Just be mindful that this is going to cause it to foam up, so be careful when you add that. Next, I'm just going to start adding my dish rags and placing those into the hot water. I'm pretty sure I overloaded mine, but I was able to push it down. Just know you can do this in batches if you prefer. Once they're fully submerged and everything is nice and wet and covered, you want to set a timer for about 15 minutes. Even just a minute in, you can see that this boiling water is extracting a lot of dirt and grime. And after 15 minutes, you can now see all that dirt and grime that has been pulled out of these rags. It is truly disgusting. I'm starting to pull the rags out. I've already decided I'm going to do a second round because this water is so filthy. Now, it might have been easier if I had just done a few rags at a time and done them in batches. So keep that in mind. That's always an option. Instead, I'm just going to do another round. So I just restarted with fresh clean water and another half a cup of baking soda and just placing those same rags back in the pot. And then after another 15 minutes or so, I'm going to pull those all out and we'll check out how dingy the water is this time. And believe it or not, this is from the second round. It still looks really bad, and that might be why my rags aren't extremely white. After boiling, I'm going to go ahead and run these through my regular wash cycle, and then I'm going to hang them out in the sun on the line just like my grandmother would have. One reason line-dried laundry often smells fresher is because sunlight contains UV radiation, which has natural antimicrobial properties that can help reduce bacteria, mold spores, and even some odor-causing microorganisms. And UV light also has a mild bleaching effect, so as you probably know, things fade in the sun. Well, when that sunlight hits white fabrics, it has that same kind of bleaching effect, and it can help make your whites even whiter, especially on natural fibers like these cotton rags. And here's a little side tip. When you're washing your bedding and your pillowcases, place your pillows outside in the bright sun and allow them to get a little bit of disinfection. So here's our finished product. These are flannel Kleenexes that we use. These are just reusable instead of using regular old disposable Kleenex. They all came out so much cleaner than before. I'm really impressed with this. And now my old white rags. The interesting thing about this method is that it didn't make these look brand new. After 4 years of use, some of the stains are probably here to stay, but the odors are gone and the rags feel cleaner. And seeing the color of that water tells me that this old-fashioned method was doing something my washing machine wasn't. Sometimes the goal isn't making something perfect again. Sometimes it's simply taking care of what you already have and making it last a little longer. And that is a lesson worth remembering.